In this video, we'll show you how to import and add presentation slides into your notes. This will enable you to capture any visual information that is shared alongside your audio recordings. To import slides from within your event, click the Import Slides button. Navigate to the slides you want to import and then click Open. Genio Notes supports both PowerPoint and PDF files. Once imported, your slides will be displayed in the left-hand panel of your event. Adding visuals to your notes can make them easier to remember, forming a stronger connection to your long-term memory. Next, we'll start a recording and show you how to add slides into your notes feed. Your first slide will be posted automatically. While including slides, you can still tag key moments in the usual way using text notes or labels. You can navigate through your slides at any time using the Next Slide and Previous Slide buttons. This is useful when the educator needs to skip slides or return to them later on. To post a slide to your feed, click the appropriate button until you reach the slide you need to use, and then click Post Slide. If your slides contain some useful text, you can post the text directly into your notes. Just hover over the slide and click the Post Text from Slide button. This lightens the cognitive load for you in the moment and helps you engage fully with what's being said in your lecture.